Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the LeetCode series and 170 problem series, and today we are solving another most interesting problem from the LeetCode, that is the contains duplicate, LeetCode number 217. So you are given an integer array nums, return true if any value appear at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Means you are given an array of integers. Your task is simple: return true if any value appears at least twice, otherwise return false. So how do we solve this efficiently? The brute force way would be the compare every element with the other element, but that would take big of n square, not idle. Like if I write here for let I equal to 0, I smaller than nums dot length and I plus plus, and start a nested for loop for let j equal to I plus 1. J is smaller than nums dot length and j plus plus, and we have to check whether nums of I if equal to nums of j, then return true, else return the false. If after completing checking the all array nothing is found, means we are check for every element. Like I select the one, then I check for every element whether 2 3 1. If it is found, because in this found I get the one, so I just return the true from this. But this is not idle for the large element. Like if I run this and okay, return true. Oh, spelling mistake. Let me run again. Yes, it passed the 3 test cases. When I try to submit the solution, let's take time. So I get the TLE here. Why? Because this takes the big of n square time complexity. I have to check whether this single array is equal to the, means this value is present in the another value array or not, means the remaining array or not. But this take big of n square time complexity. Yes, but instead of this nested for loop, we use a smart approach, a set, a JavaScript set. A set in JavaScript only store unique values. You only means so we will iterate through the array and keep adding element to the set. If we ever find an element that already exists in the set, so duplicate found, means so let make a const scene equal to new set. Okay, so I make a set here, JavaScript set. JavaScript set has a means a value has that, means it takes only the original value, means it remove the duplicates value from this. Like if I run for let I equal to 0, I smaller than nums dot length I plus plus, and we check if scene set dot has this value nums of I, then return true. Else we add this value into this scene dot add nums of I and run this. So let's try to submit the solution. Yes, this solution is accepted and all the 77 test cases are passed. So basically we create an empty set here, scene empty set, and loop through the each number for that I equal to 0 to nums dot length till the nums dot length, and check if that value already exists in the set or not. If it is yes, means scenes dot has the value, then return the true. Else the scene dot add these nums of I, means we add into the set, and in last we return the false if complete this array passed. And one more important thing here, this checking the value into the set has the big of one time complexity, because this is the advantage of using the set here. So now time complexity whole is the big of n square, and the space complexity whole is the big of n also. So super efficient and perfect for interviews, both are the big of n time complexity. So if you want to impress your interview, here is a one-liner solution also for this problem. That is the I have nums, so make a new set, and we check means return new set. In this I just give the nums and just compare the size here, and if it is not equal to nums dot length, means if it contains a duplicate, set remove the duplicates and the size is reduced. So we check whether the size is equal to not or not with the original value. So just let's run this solution. Yes, and let's try to submit. It is accepted. See, we have the both option, one liner also and the complete if else part also for a beginner ones. So if the set size is smaller than the array length, well, it means the duplicate exists, so we return the false, else return the true. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to JDCodebase. For more LeetCode solution in the JavaScript, also drop a comment, should I continue this series or daily or not. See you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep growing.